What's going on, guys? We are at Bear Cave, one of the largest caves in the state. We got about almost a mile and a half of passage in here. Got the whole crew with us today, and Miranda's first caving trip. So if you like caving, like watching it, like and subscribe. If you want to come caving, call the Pittsburgh Grotto or your local grotto and you can come in here for yourself. All right, let's go check it out. That's cool. So this formation, North America, South America, and
yeah,
we can find our way out.
You gotta have a little, but that actually isn't on the map. This is backbreaker passage here. This one, and then up there Suicide Squeeze. Those are actually on the map.
Ooh, that sounds fun. See?
Losing knee pads.
That's not so bad. Miranda handled that like a champ. Want to pull you off forward?
If you can.
Widens out up here.
You get like right here, okay? You get a bigger spot.
All right, we're going through Larimer's tunnel.
And the whole entire time you got about a foot long. If you want on right here, so take a break from the wall.
Yeah, this next one's kind of insulting, but I'm looking at. Alright, you're coming, I'm gonna start this. Oop, my bag unhooked.
Mark, let me know when you're ready for the shot and let's go in through.
Here we go.
Right behind you, buddy. There you go. Miranda's crushing it. Look at her go. Yeah. You made it. See? Awesome work. You made it.
Thank you.
Crushing it. You just made it through the toughest crawler. Larimer's Tunnel, how do you feel?
Quite invigorated, to say the least.
I'll grab your bag. Okay. Oh, you're good. I was gonna grab your bag for you.
Nah, I got it.
I'm excited to start my new job and I'll get a 25% discount on stuff like this.
Who are you working at? Doing footwork?
Just wanted to.
Oh, okay.
That'll be perfect.
What do you do there?
I do email marketing.
Okay.
I start the 27th. I currently work for Route 21 corporate.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's in Warrendale.
That's a clothing thing, right?
Yeah.
They'll only know that because of my license hours.
I get a good discount there too, but it's not useful for this type of stuff.
No, you can't get this type of stuff in there. So are you coming back?
I went up one to,
Maybe you guys think about it for a day or 2 or a week.
this is circumspectum.
Guys, there's a salamander.
Really?
Hey, little guy.
See what?
Yeah. Let's be careful not to step on you, buddy.
I'm glad I didn't.
The salamander people have shifted shapes. He's coming for me. Oh, look at that.
Is this me seeing my breath right now in here?
Yeah, we're getting close to these.
They're salamander. Salamander people have shifted shapes.
I would put my feet there and then push your body up to that. Like so.
I'm right here with the hammer.
Even
I can give you a footrest too.
your other foot there you go. You want to basically walk up a wall.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna go home with that.
I might go out in the water right now. Where am I at? I was kind of cool. I had my light off because you can see it runs so daylight kind of run.
That is cool.
We were in 1K, we were in there longer than we expected. And I'm expecting to get, we're coming up near the exit. No, it was dark out. Like I'm expecting to see daylight coming into the cave. And never gotten dark.
That has to mess with your head.
Huh?
That must have messed with your head.
Yeah. I'm going down one so I can come up through the waterfall.
I'll follow you.